It builds sportsmanship, leadership, unity, and competitive spirit among the staff. Let us unite our minds and souls and start our program by invoking God's blessing. Now I request Mrs. Mary and team to lead us into our prayer.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲದಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇಳೆಯಳು ದೇವರೇ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಸ್ತುತಿಪೆ ಸ್ತುತಿಪೆ ರಕ್ಷಕ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಸ್ತುತಿಪೆ ಸ್ತುತಿಪೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇಳೆಯಳು ಸ್ತುತಿಪೆ ತಂದೆಯು ನೀನೇ ತಾಯಿಯು ನೀನೇ ಬಂಧುವು ನೀನೇ ನನ್ನ ಭಾಗ್ಯವು ನೀನೇ ತಂದೆಯು ನೀನೇ ತಾಯಿಯು ನೀನೇ ಬಂಧುವು ನೀನೇ ನನ್ನ ಭಾಗ್ಯವು ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇಳೆಯಳು ದೇವರೇ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಸ್ತುತಿಪೆ.
Take this opportunity to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Shishir Duble and Dr. Skandamurthy. I also welcome our directors, Dr. Rajesh Shetty and Mrs. Roshni Shetty. We welcome you all, sir. Welcome you, madam.
Good. Go.
Team leaders, please come forward. Both team leaders to come forward and take the oath. Please stretch your right hand forward and repeat after me. In the name of all competitors,
In the name of all competitors,
I promise that
I promise that
we shall take part in the sports day
we shall take part in the post day
of First Neuro Hospital
of First Neuro Hospital
as fair players,
as fair players,
respecting
respecting
and abiding by the rules
and abiding by the rules
that govern the events
that govern the events
in the true spirit of sportsmanship,
in the true spirit of sportsmanship,
for the glory of sport and the honor of our.
I welcome all of you, all my colleagues, my teammates, my opponents, everyone. Okay. So to start with, what exactly is health? What is health? Health Andreno. Is it just not having a disease? Is that health? No, it's much more than that. Health is not just not having a disease. It is a state of complete physical and mental health, fitness. And sports is the best way to achieve that. So I'm very glad to have an event like this in our hospital. So when we were kids, we used to be hearing this saying that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. It is so true and it's so relevant even to this day. And especially in current days, the lifestyle with so much junk food, so much stress, and so sedentary lifestyle, the sport And what can be better than having a chance to play in our own family? This First Neuro is our family. So again, I want to thank the entire organization for having this. This actually gives us a chance to get to know each other, mingle with each other, and they celebrate this event. So for this event, I take this chance to introduce our team, Spartans. Okay, so a few of you might be wondering, what name is this? Spartans and Reno. It actually, there might be a lot of people who don't understand what Spartans is, because the opponent team has the name Shaurya, which I think everybody understands what Shaurya is. So ये होता क्या है? Spartans क्या होता है? So it is not an English word, it is not a Hindi word, it's not Kannada word. It is actually a Greek word. So long back in 6th century BC, there was a place in Greece that was called as Sparta. And the army men who were protecting that land, they were called as Spartans. And that army group is so famous for their courage, for their fitness, for their endurance and everything. It was considered a single Spartan is equal to a million army. So why not? We want to take inspiration from that army group, and we have named our team as Spartans. And more importantly, just like how the Spartans saved the life of their countrymen by fighting, we also believe that we here in First Neuro strive our best, give 100% to save the lives of all the patients who come here. So it is not restricted to any particular profession. There is contribution from doctors, from sisters, from brothers, for physiotherapists, receptionists, sweepers, cleaners, technicians, everyone. There's a role of everyone, because without any one of these, the work cannot go on. So why not Spartans? Okay. So that's the thing. That's why we have chosen this. And especially on this day, yes, it is even more relevant, because we have put in a lot of efforts in the previous few days. And we want to be fearless. We do not want to give up. We just want to be like Spartans. Okay. Then coming to our flag, you can see the flag. So what exactly is there on that flag? So you see a big S, which obviously stands for Spartans. And on either side, there are two soldiers with their helmets on. They're all ready for the fight, just like how we are ready at this moment for any challenge that can come from either side. Okay, so this is our flag, and we are very, very proud to display our flag, the Spartan flag. And then after that, we have this tagline, if you can see, which says, healing hands and caring hearts. So I think this sentence is self-explanatory. I don't really need to go in detail about this sentence, because we being in health profession, yes, healing hands, we all have healing hands. As I told previously, there is role of each and every one of us in making the life of the patient better. And we, of course, care for them. So healing hands and caring hearts. Actually, this month happens to be the Autism Awareness Month. I'm sure most of you know what autism is. Okay, those unfortunate children who are suffering from autism. So it's actually the 2nd of April, which was the Autism Awareness Day. And because this is April month, we consider this as Autism Awareness Month. So we actually want to dedicate our event to those unfortunate kids who are suffering from autism, especially because sports and play is supposed to be, good for the betterment of these kids. So these sports and play helps them to mingle with each other and, sort of get rid of their problem.
Richard Nixon says, if you take no risk, you will suffer no defeat. But if you take no risk, you win no victories. Namaste, First Neuro. We are Shaurya, the 104 warriors of First Neuro. Shaurya represent the great soldiers of the country, the Indian Armed Forces. It symbolizes bravery, heroism, and one who always stands for the loved ones, protecting our families, our homes, and our nation as a whole. We Shauryas dedicate this great event to the Indian Armed Forces, soldiers who have contributed to the society with their efforts and sacrifices. This is a small gesture of respect honor, and appreciation towards the soldiers who have nurtured the country with their hard work and their dedication. We salute all those Jawans who secured their motherland with the feeling of patriotism. Our logo comprises of fist. It symbolizes strength and unity, and the eagle wings, leadership and vision to fly high. The stars represent excellence. Just like the rainbow beautifies the earth after the rain in the presence of the sun, so we are, the Shaurias, would like to depict this event with the following colors. The red color for Army, the blue for Air Force, and navy blue for Navy. And green symbolizes the success, harmony, and prosperity. This is possible only when there is a peace in our country. And we live in peace because of our soldiers. Who dares wins. This is our slogan, which means if one has the courage and audacity to take risks, then success will be achieved. So we are called Shaurias. So my dear First Neuro family, we are not less than a Shaurias. We are Shaurias who silently, selflessly giving service in this healthcare sector. The effort which involved to save the life of the patient is really commendable. We salute you, First Neuro. Finally, I would like to wish Spartans all the very best. And to my team Shaurya, who dares wins.
शायद रहूं या ना रहूं दिलबर, बदला कभी ये फैसला तो मैं सह नहीं पाता, इसमें तेरा घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं चाहता.
Savita from OPD, Divya from cafeteria, Radhika from 3rd floor, Shashikala from 3rd floor, Elvira from store, and Mary from housekeeping.
All the best.
All the best.
Myself Sumani from HIC department.
Myself Rupa from insurance department. Myself Florida from neuro rehab department.
Lata from housekeeping department. Soumya from housekeeping department. Myself Akshaya from accounts department.
Service each and away. Service each and wait. Service each and upward each and throw ball.
3-6. Point 7-3. 7-3. Shaurya 7, Spartans 3.
Back.
8-4. Shaurya 8, Spartans 4.
Yes, good one.
Umpire decision is final. Please be cooperate.
Yes, service.
Sorry. 2-0.
Yes, service. Good one. Yes, service. Yes, service. లైన్ టచ్ వచ్చి
Well. Yes. Anta.
Last point. From Spartans, Jimmy and Dr. Skanda. And the title, Team Shaurya. Shaurya 12, Spartans 4. Thirteen 5. Six 13. Shaurya 1 love.
ಎರಡು ತಂಡದ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇತ್ತ ಕಡೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಶೌರ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಿಸಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಕಂದನ್ ಅವರ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ. ಆಟವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಸಾರ್ನವರು.
Shaurya 4, Spartan 1.
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಿಸಾರ್ನವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಇದರಿಂದ ಉತ್ತಮ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ನಾವು
Shaurya 5, Spartans 2.
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಕಂದ ಅವರು.
6-2. 3-6.
ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಗೆರೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ
4-8.
ಓ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ. ಓ ಅದು 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 ಓ 9-5. ಎಸ್ ಶೌರ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೌರ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಈಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದು
6-10. Spartan 6, Shaurya 10.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂತಹ ಹೊಡೆತ ನಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
ಶೌರ್ಯ
ಒಳ್ಳೆದು
12.
ಎಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಸಾರ್ನವರು ಕಳೆದ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಿಂದ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ನ ಇದೇ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್.
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ನ ಫಲ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು ಫಲ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ
Good decision.
Jimmy,
match
play
point.
fast. You have to go to the ICU. Please play fast. Finish the game.
Shaurya on the match. On the match with the 2-3.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ನ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ನವರಿಗೆ ಇದು 4ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಮೀಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ನವರು ಈ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 365 ಡೇಸ್ ಕೂಡ. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಟೀಮ್ ಶೌರ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಮ್ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೀಮನ್ನು 2 ವಿಂಗಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಅವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ. ಸೊ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ನವರಿಗೊಂದು ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Good sir, good sir. Good going. Good sir, good sir. Yes. Back. Wow. Oh. It's okay, no problem. Yeah, good sir. Good sir. Hey, goal. Game point, huh? Change the code. Yeah, good sir, good sir. Bye. Aram se service. Take time and ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಆನಂದ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ.